The name tailor itself has a French origin, derived from the word tailor, meaning to cut. It was rendered in Latin documents as cissor. While it may seem unusual for a clan to have such a name, the history of Clan Tailor is anything but ordinary. Clan Tailor's presence in early Scots records is well documented. As early as 1276, we find records of individuals with the name Tailor serving notable roles. Alexandra le Taillur was listed as a valet to Alexander III, and Bryce le Taillur was among the Scottish prisoners captured at Dunbar Castle in 1296. One of the most intriguing references to Clan Tailor can be found in the Ragman Roll of 1296. This historical document lists 6 individuals with the Taylor surname from various Scottish counties, all rendering homage to Edward I of England. This suggests that Clan Tailor had a notable presence and was scattered across different regions of Scotland during this period. The clan's history is further evidenced by land grants and deeds. Walter Cissor, for example, received a land grant from David II around 1137. In 1462, Donald Cissor and Bricius Cissor were witnesses to a deed in Inverness, reinforcing the clan's presence in various parts of Scotland. The name Tailor is not limited to a single variation. In Scotland, you can also find it in the form of Macintailor. Several Macintailors were fined in 1613 for sheltering members of the outlawed Clan Gregor, showcasing their involvement in the tumultuous times of clan conflicts. One of the most remarkable chapters in Clan Tailor's history is its contribution to technological innovation. James Taylor, born in Lanarkshire in 1753, is credited with the first practical application of steam power to vessels for inland navigation. This innovation led to the launch of the first paddle-wheel steamboat in 1788, at Dalwhiston, achieving a remarkable speed of 5 miles per hour. This pioneering work laid the foundation for the development of the iconic paddle steamers that revolutionized transportation on North American rivers and beyond.